pink. Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing my Jeffree Star Valentine Day mystery boxes. Is that what they're even called? Valentine's mystery boxes? You know what I mean. I did get 2 of the boxes this go around. I was honestly going to get all 3 because I'm a psychopath, but the middle box, the deluxe, I guess there were some issues with it. I don't know. I was out and about grocery shopping and I was getting okay internet. I wasn't worried about that, but something about you had to select a clothing size and it wouldn't let me on my mobile phone. And apparently that was a big issue with people. You had to get on a computer. So I wasn't able to get that one because I wasn't going to be home for like another hour and a half. But I was able to get the premium box and, oh God, this is heavy as shit, the Supreme box. And somehow I've managed to stay away from spoilers because I haven't actually gone looking for them. So I have no idea what's in these. Could be more stickers. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and start with the smaller box though. This is the premium box and it was $60. Normally he has like a cheaper option, I think maybe a $40 box. He said not this time. The cheapest was the $60 premium box. Oh my God. Okay, open it up. It looks like this. We got tissue paper. All right, let's just, this beanie is so cute. All right, we'll just start with this cute little beanie. It does say Jeffree Star here. You can wear it backwards. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of like logos and stuff on my stuff, but whatever, it's cute. Is this one of the Valentine's exclusive? I guess so. Merch would be considered. Okay. And then a fucking pop socket. Oh, I thought we were over these pop sockets because he didn't put any, at least not in the ones that I got, in the Black Friday ones, but okay. All right, we got the gloss. And I'm gonna guess this is a limited edition shade or one of the Valentine shades because it is in the red packaging. The shade is called Succulent. It looks like a gorgeous pink glittery shade. I'm not the biggest fan of pink. I'm gonna look up some swatches before I open this and waste it. If you guys have been here any amount of time, you know before I do this with any kind of like box, to make sure I can't pass it on to a friend or resell it, I wanna make sure I'll actually like it before I just swatch it. So, did get the gloss and Succulent. There's only one other thing in here. Palette, is this the Alien palette? Oh my gosh, okay. I'm actually super stoked for this. Damn, this is bigger than I thought it would be. I actually don't have this palette. It's like one of his only palettes I don't own. I'm so here for this. Okay. I've always wanted this palette. I just didn't want to pull the trigger on it. And I know he's discontinuing it. I don't really understand why. Maybe the bulky, weird ass. I hate the packaging. I can just tell you that right now. That was another thing that I wasn't about. Why I didn't buy it, but I do love the color story. I love these grungy tones. I'm so excited to have this. So for 60 bucks, I mean, really, I got the palette and then a lip gloss, a beanie, and a pop socket. Was it worth it? I don't know yet, but I'm super happy to have Alien. Let's move over to the Supreme box. I feel like this is the most I've ever spent on a Jeffree Star mystery box. This one was $145, and this was the most expensive option. Ugh. Oh man. All right. Here's what it looks like when I open it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get this out of the way. I know this is the Blue Blood palette. I already have the Blue Blood palette, and it's a great palette, don't get me wrong, but he just had this palette in his freaking Black Friday mystery boxes. So I just got one then, another one that I don't, you know, need because I already have one. And now I have yet another one that I need to get rid of. Again, beautiful palette. I'm guessing these aren't selling well because he put them in the mystery boxes last go around. He's putting them in the mystery boxes this go around. Maybe not everyone's a big fan of blue eyeshadow. I don't know, like I said, lovely palette, but I already have it, and I have a backup. And now I have another pop socket. I'm so lucky. What is this? Okay, this is like a little, just a little tote bag with very busy Jeffree Star candy hearts on it. Busy to me. This is just like a cute little bag. I don't know, it's got a Jeffree Star logo in the corner. It's cute. All right, what is this? A smaller palette. Ah, okay. So it is the Jeffree Star, I say Jeffree Star like it's the Brain Freeze highlighting palette. I don't have this, and I honestly didn't want it because his highlight formula is not my favorite. I think it's like the Skin Frost formula, if I'm not mistaken. That and the shades didn't really look like they'd work for me. Yeah, I could definitely use Cold Shoulder. I could probably use this blue one, Freeze Tag, maybe Gold Breaker. I don't know. These two are definitely going to be too deep, and that would probably be like a blush topper. I'm definitely not interested in this palette still, having it right in front of me even. If you're new here, sorry. I'm really not trying to be negative. I'm just super honest. Okay, then we got a velour lip scrub. It's the flavor Lemon Icebox Cookies. I can get down with that. I do like his lip scrubs, but I'm still using one that I got, oh shit, like over a year ago, and I barely even put a dent in it because it's just not something I use all the time. But oh my god, so many lip items. Okay, let's start with the liquid lipsticks. This is the shade Romeo. Ooh, no. It is like a baby bubblegum pink. All right, then we got Restraints. It's like a silvery, I could maybe mess with this color. I could probably do something with this. I know they're eye safe. I just really, don't really want to put them on my eyeballs. And then this is Mistletoe. Again, not a color I'd wear all the time, but I could probably do something with it. We'll see. I'm not opposed to messing with some green lipstick. All right, we got the gloss, and the shade is Ice Cold. I'm guessing it's bluish. No, it's just like an iridescent white, probably just clear with white glitter. I'll have to look up swatches again for that one. All right, and then we got a Valentine gloss. This is the shade Soft Core Sparkle. Ooh, this looks so pretty. It's just like a purple, it's probably like a lip topper situation, but really pretty purple color. And then this guy, Baby Pink Chrome Mirror. This is really cute. Just a big ass mirror. Not bigger than the Shane Pig mirror though, but still really big and cute. But I've already got my pig mirror, and then I have a Jeffree Star shaped mirror, so I definitely don't need this one, but it's cute. For $145, I got the mirror, the highlight palette, 3 liquid lipsticks, 2 lip glosses, a lip scrub, that little bag, and then that little side strap bag. Did I say pop socket already? Pop socket. Blue Blood palette. I mean, it's definitely like, you just look at it, the monetary value. I got my money's worth, but the only things I might keep are 2 of the liquid lipsticks and like 2 of the lip glosses and a lip scrub. Yeah. It's like every time I do these, I'm like, I shouldn't have bought this. And there I am at the next launch, card in hand. I don't know why I do it to myself. Maybe just because I like the mystery of it all. But yeah, I mean, you win some, you lose some. I'm definitely stoked I got the Alien palette in the little box. I should have just got the little box. I would have been happy with that, but I wanted to take a risk. And unfortunately, it didn't pay off. Did you guys pick up any of these mystery boxes? Let me know what you got in the comments below. I'd love to know if we got the same things, different things. Let a girl know. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.